5 new iPhone hidden features and tips and tricks. So this is a series in which I show you all the iPhone hidden features and tips and tricks of 2022. So let's get started. Starting off with feature number 1. Whenever you receive a call from someone, whenever you talk to someone on a call, and if you want to mute that person, you can just straight up mute. But you'll still be able to hear that other person.
Hello? 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 Hi babe, listen.
But did you know if you press and hold the mute button, the phone will go on hold? So now you'll not be able to hear the other person. And if you want to hear the other person again, just press again on the mute button and you'll be able to hear the other person again.
See, listen, don't show me your attitude. If you don't want to talk to me, just don't talk to me. Just get off.
So moving on to tip number 2. Second feature for the messages. So whenever you send a message, now if I text Iloni just by saying hi, hey, and now if I want to forward a message to Iloni, so I'll just open the text which I just want to forward and press and hold and just go back and I'll just drop it here. So it got pasted and I can just send it. But now what if I want to send multiple text messages? Just open it back and just press and hold and just select the multiple messages. Come back and just drop it. So the text message will get combined and I can send it as a one message. So moving on to tip number 3. Siri shortcuts. So opening up control center and here screen rotation is turned on. And now when I open up the YouTube app, here I got a notification from Siri shortcuts, and once again opening control center, and as you can see the screen orientation is turned off. So this is happening because of the Siri shortcuts. So now let me show you how to do this. So for that, just open up the Siri shortcuts app, tap on automations, then tap at the plus sign at the top right corner, then create a new personal automation, then scroll down and tap on apps. Now choose when open, then choose the app. Now scroll down and select the app you want. I'm going to choose YouTube, then tap on next, then tap add action, then search and search for orientation. So then tap set orientation, then change from toggle to turn. So when it is on, just make it off and tap on next. Now turn off aux before running and turn off. Then tap on done. Now if I open up YouTube app, as you can see I'm getting the notification, and if I open the control center, the orientation is turned off. So I'm going to just turn it on and exit it. As you can see it's on. So going back to the app, and again I get a notification, opening the control center and it's turned off. So this is mostly useful when you're watching your YouTube videos. So if you just forget to turn it on and off again and again, and we just like to turn your phone and just enjoy your content, so that's good. So 3 are down. Now let's move on to tip number 4. So next feature is text scanning. I personally use this feature a lot. So you can use this feature in a lot of places. For example, let me show you on WhatsApp. Open your WhatsApp and I'll text Iloni. So I'll just send a note. So double tap on the keyboard and here scan option. So now it will open up the camera app in place of the keyboard. So I'll just get my notes and just keep it in front of the camera, and it will automatically get scanned, imported, or you can just select manually. Then I'll just tap insert. So the text has been done inserting. So this will save a lot of time. So if I just send, battery low. So if I just send this, it will go, and this will save you a lot of time. And this feature can be used in other apps also, like Instagram. So if I just open up Instagram and if I just text Iloni again on Insta, so if I again double tap on the keyboard and just tap on scan, it will again do the same thing. And here you can see that the text Samsung has been selected. So I'll just tap on that and insert and just send it. So that's the same process. So now we have just completed with the 4th feature. Now let's move on to the final 5th feature. So this is more like a trick to get a logo or an emoji on your screen or at the top near the time. So as you can see here, I'm getting the bulb emoji, and it's just like those old jailbreaking days. Today some iPhone user also will have no idea what is jailbreaking. Anyways, I'll show you how to get the emoji at the top near the time. So open up settings, then scroll down and tap on focus. So as you can see, my focus is, so just tap at the plus at the top right corner, then select custom, then just select the preferred color you want or the emoji which are available there, those icons, and just select them and customize them. So I'll just choose purple, and here I'll just select the smiley, and I'll just enter a name, just smile. So type in it out, smile. So I'll just tap next, then I'll just remove all contacts from here and change from calls from, and just tap it and change it to everyone. Then tap on done, then tap allow. Then it will ask you for allowed apps and notification. Just select and select all the apps from there. So let me just do it, and tap in done. So now I'll just tap allow, and now your focus is ready. So just tap it done, and if I activate it here from the toggle, so as you can see here at the top near the time, I can just see it. Now open up control center. So here if I long press on focus or just tap on focus, and here I can just select. So previously I had made a bulb, so I can just select that, and here at the top you can see I got the bulb. So if I tap on it again, and here I got the personal mode, so I can see like a person there. So switching it back to smile, and if I lock the phone, and here on the lock screen you can see the same. So the same thing I can also do from the control center here, and just toggle it on and off. So this feature you can turn it on and off whenever you want, just from the control center. So yeah, those were the 5 amazing features or iPhone tips and tricks. So in this series I'll be posting a few videos on iPhone tips and tricks. And if you made it till the end, don't forget to like this video and smash that subscribe button. And if you're an Android user, click the left side video to see my 25 amazing Android features or secrets. Or if you can just click the right side to see my playlist. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.